Interested in details on garage door repair? Need your garage door repaired? Overhead Door can fix it today. We've been working on garage doors for 80 years and offer superior service. Schedule your garage door repair online today. Garage doors are the largest moving object inside your home. If you have a problematic garage door, it compromises the safety of your family and home. Overhead Door Company of Atlanta is a professional company you can count on. We provide you with quality service at a reasonable price. We offer free estimates on replacement garage doors and are spring replacement specialists. 24 hours a day 7 days a week, we are your #1 garage door repair service. More reasons to select Overhead Door for your garage door repair. Here is a list of the garage door repair services our professional employees provide. Further garage door repair services. The Overhead Door Company of Atlanta provides garage door and garage door opener service, repair, sales, installation, and free in-home replacement garage door estimates for the entire state of Georgia, including. Get in touch with our company as soon as possible for more information on garage door repair.